Hi, my name is Robert Tobin. We're dairy farming here on the east coast of Ireland. We're milking 200 cows here. We use an awful lot of water fittings. Some of the main reasons that Agriflow have worked so well for us and why we've made the change are they're very easy to use. So you don't need pipe cutters with you. Pipes can be cut with pen knives. If the ends of the pipes are scored or damaged, you don't need to cut that off and start again, where you can end up in a situation where the pipe is too short to join together. As soon as you shove this up in the pipe with one hand, it's locked, whether you tighten this nut or not. Then all you have to do is hand tighten the nut. No wrenches needed whatsoever. Durability, we don't have any pipes buried on this farm here. They're all top of the ground beside cow roads. One, has saved cost. We didn't have to go and bury all these pipes. And two, when you do have a leak and a pipe is buried, you usually don't find it for months, and there'll be a puddle down the field somewhere and the leak will be up the field somewhere. You'll spend days trying to find it. You can drive over them, you can have cows walking on. We have these fittings beside cow roads where cows step down off the road. They walk on the fittings, they walk on the pipe. None of them are leaking that we've put in here to date. Agriflow works every time you go to the box and take one out of it. So I'd recommend to any farmers who are sick of water problems, hate water fittings, any water issues whatsoever, and shy away from it, if you make the change to Agriflow, you'll learn to love water fittings again if that was possible.